Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to add profile avatar on CoinMarketCap account. So first we're going to go to the CoinMarketCap app. Then once you're here, going to click on the profile section on the top right corner. Then click on settings. Then here under account section, click on profile settings. Then there's the avatar option. You're going to click on it. So you guys could choose from the preset avatars. For example, I chose one. But if you guys don't like it, you guys can click on upload and you guys can select from your gallery. Then crop it and click on save. So your upload will be successful. So once you go back, you guys can see it on your profile. So that's how you basically do it. Make sure to also check our other videos. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.